Where's Ernie Bird?
Where are they?
Oh, well, now you know.
Where are they?
Maybe you don't know.
Where are they, Jacob?
Do you know or do you not know?
Where are they?
Jacob, where are they? Are they like, I don't know.
Where are they?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know.
No.
Are they in that book somewhere? You don't know? Are you sure?
Where are they, Jacob? Are they there?
No.
No? Do you not know?
Oh,
Jacob, do you know where they are? Or do you not? I don't know. I don't know.
no.
I don't know. Me neither. He's smiling for the camera.
Who's this? Who's this, Jacob? Who's this?
Jeez. Yeah, you're dripping with it.
Who's this? Jacob?
Are you going to color?
Who's in the book? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Is that Elmo?
Good coloring.
Is that Elmo?
Good coloring. Are you dancing now? To imaginary music?
Can you sing da-do, 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 da-do?
Color the coffee table.
You're drumming. What happened? What happened? I don't know. Do you know what happened? Try again. Ready? Try again. Oh! Try again. Go this way. In the page. What happened? I don't know.